So right now, standing here in front of Agartala City Center, we can see right behind me, these are the group of teachers who were set on March 31st last. They have been protesting here for day 35. But the reason being why they are sitting in the main road, this is the BIP road which connects the city from the city center towards Agartala. They have been agitating here for 35 days, but today an unfortunate incident had taken place last evening where one of their teachers, Rumi Debbarma, succumbed to injuries after she consumed acid last evening. She was rushed to a private hospital in Agartala, but unfortunately she succumbed. And now they demand that the dead body, the mortal remains of the teacher who lost her life out of depression and mental trauma to be brought here in this protesting site. Only then they will withdraw their road blockade from here. However, we can see huge security deployment have been done here so that they cannot reach towards the city. They have deployed here CRPF, TSR and police. However, a huge number of teachers have gathered here in front of city center. They say that they will only withdraw their road blockade once the teacher who died after this depression and consuming poison, her mortal remains has to be brought here.
Slogans against the Tripura government echoed in the streets of Agartala on Sunday as hundreds of terminated teachers blocked the main road near the capital's city centre. They were also protesting against the state police after teachers were denied permission to bring the mortal remains of Rumi Debbarma, a teacher who died of suicide the previous evening. With Rumi Debbarma's demise, the number of deceased teachers in the last 10 days has gone up to 3. A member of the Joint Movement Committee, Dipankar Debbarma, says these deaths are triggered by trauma, stress and ongoing depression.
In the last 10 days, we have already lost 3 teachers. Yesterday we have lost our late Rumi Madam Debbarma from Khowai, and today morning also Manoharan Jamatia we have already lost. He also have expired due to extreme stroke, and few days back, couple of days back, we have lost another teacher, Uttam Tripura from Sibajala district. So it is very disheartening and very heartbreaking to see all such teachers who have expired due to extreme tension since the job is not being stable and state government is not coming forward to save the livelihood of all these 10,300 teachers. So our sit-in demonstration is going to continue for indefinite period. By today we are already on day 35. So behind me, unless the dead body from GB hospital of our late Rumi Debbarma Madam reach the Agartala city center, we are on the road, blocking the road. Unless the dead body comes here at Agartala city center to give us the opportunity to pay the last ride, we are going to remain on the ground.
Another JMC member, Gautam Debbarma, says that people do not understand the ongoing situation because of the pandemic. He explains how the shortage of teachers is going to affect the education system when schools start functioning in full force.
The crisis of the teacher was not understood all these days because there was a pandemic situation all over the world, and formally the school was closed to certain extent, and now you will see one of the most interesting thing is that when the school start in a full swing, full-fledged mode, there will be acute shortage of teacher, I tell you. And even amongst our group, 10,300 teachers group, there are many teachers who are holding the post of in charge in any institution. In many institutions, in rural areas, especially in the ADC areas, tribal areas, there are many teachers who are holding the charge of, headmaster or in charges. There are many teachers like that. Many schools are left without in charge, many schools are left without headmaster, and many schools are suffering from acute shortage of teacher. Recently in the social media you will find there was in a public domain, I think, one school in Kanchanpur area, one headmaster itself is demanding that there is acute shortage of teacher in their institution, and it is directly hampering the students. Since there is no teacher, the students are directly, they are not getting any education, and proper education is not being maintained. Now, my humble request and my humble intimation to the education minister is, where is your quality education? Where is your education that you assured? Where is your vision document promises? No one in this world, in this civilized world, no one can deny what is the right to education. Our constitution guaranteed us that we are all, you know, all citizens should be given proper education, quality education, and compulsory education, I would say. But today I would say there is deprivation. Many ST students, many tribal students are deprived because there is no teachers, acute shortage of teachers. I don't know why the department, why the government is hiding all these things. These things you will not able to hide any longer you will not able to hide. One day or today the truth will come out.
There were also many who shaved their heads to protest the rising death toll. So far, 81 teachers have lost their lives in the last 6 years. An ongoing sit-in demonstration was started on December 7, 2020, amid extreme cold weather conditions.
So almost more than 3 hours of protest by these agitating 10,300 teachers, they have decided to withdraw their road blockade from in front of Agartala city center. However, they have maintained that their ongoing indefinite period of protest here in front of Agartala city center will continue. Speaking with reporters, the leaders of JMC Joint Movement Committee, they have said that they have tried their level best to bring the mortal remains of Rumi Debarma, who died last evening in Agartala, one of the private hospitals in Agartala. Now they will continue with their protest, and as we follow on how these teachers have been facing the problems amid this cold weather, keep watching East Mojo. This is Chandan Pandey from Agartala.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to East Mojo. For any queries, put them down in the comments section below and press on the bell icon for notifications.